Hi all, welcome back to the lecture series. This is Muthu Meenal, Assistant Professor at the Department of Agriculture Engineering. Today we'll see a topic on Introduction to Soil and Water Conservation that comes under the subject Automation Techniques in Agriculture Engineering or under the unit Advanced Machinery and Equipment in Agriculture Engineering for second year 4th semester students. At the previous class, we have seen about precision, what are the techniques involved, what are the equipments involved, what is a leveler, and also recently we have seen what is a vacuum operated planter. Under vacuum operated planter, I have given you a specification of the machine that is easily available right now, which will help us to remodify or remodel any kind of machines if there is any kind of difficulty which we are going to face in the near future. This is how we have to automate a machine. That is why I have picked out an example of vacuum operated planter. Today we'll see and we'll go to the next conservation techniques, that is soil and water resources. So why do we need to conserve these kinds of resources? That is what we have to know. This is because the soil and water are the two important natural resources and their need for agricultural production is very basic. It is really necessary for us to depend upon soil and water for the well growth of the crop, and the yield quality is also dependent upon these two kinds. During the last century, it has been observed that the pressure of increasing population has led to degradation of these natural resources, which I have shown in this picture of a world. That is, at this map I have given you how the soil has been degraded and which soil is available in a very stable condition and which soil is available without any kind of vegetation and also degraded nature. So here we can identify most of the areas are very degraded soil, and 50% of the area at the northern side is in stable condition, and though it is in stable condition, it is not possible for us to increase the crop yield at those kinds of areas. So the soil erosion. The soil erosion is initially the main reason because soil erosion plays a major role under degradation of soil. This happens and causes disintegrated layer of the earth's crust to a weathered nature. And the soil layer composed of usually a mineral and organic matter. This is usually necessary for the growth of plant, which is sustaining plant life. And the soil depth is less in some places and more at other places, which may vary from practically nil to several meters. This is what happens under soil erosion. Usually, these kinds of soil layer is continuously exposed to the action of atmosphere, and though the action of atmosphere plays a major role, when the wind and water in motion usually plays as two main agencies which acts over the top layer of the soil and dislodge the soil particles and make them to transport from one place to the other, and the loosening of the soil from its place and its transportation from one place to the other is usually predicted as soil erosion, with which the sustainability plant life will get reduced and the crop yield will get reduced as the nutrient rich top layer is obviously disintegrated. So this is the sediment load that is available throughout our world, and the suspended sediment discharge per year region has been shown here. As we can see that per year the Asia plays a major part because 6,349 million tons per year has been available as a suspended sediment, and while compared to that of the other regions like Australia, as you guys can see here, Australia has only 62 million tons per year, though America has nearly 1020 and 1788 certain sedimentation, while the Asia has 6,349 million tons per year. So this is how the soil degradation and the water crisis usually takes place, and here is why I'm giving you a justification that we have to utilize and make use of conservation methods to conserve these two main ingredients, that is soil and water, which may be resulted into a degradation level with the help of an erosion. So we'll see you at the next class and continue this same topic to the next stage. Thank you.